Hello everyone, Tim is back here again, and as you can see I've got all the pistons in, and I got the oil pan on, and so what I have done since then is I have installed the cam, which resides inside here. You can probably see it. I've got assembly lube on everything, and since I know that the wear was minimal on this engine, I just got a stock cam and dropped it in place, and wasn't very expensive at all. I also then installed the new timing chain and a new timing gear, and this gear is so much better than the stock one. The original looked like this. It was aluminum with this fibrous material, and it's just totally cheap. I mean, shame on Chrysler for trying to save a few cents on an engine that is so doggone powerful as this. So I think she's looking sweet. We're going to be dropping the lifters in next, and then putting the heads on. We're also going to be installing, or actually taking apart, this device. This is the oil pump, and I want to take this apart to make sure there's no metal shavings or any debris inside, because I'm really concerned about other foreign objects getting into the engine. And I will pack it with a heavy grease or Vaseline so it actually helps prime itself, and that will go right here. The other thing I did was, the oil pump is driven by a shaft that is off of the cam, and you can see it right there. And I slipped that puppy right in there, and according to the factory manual, it has to be horizontal with the timing chain and cam. So we got that guy in place, and then we're going to start buttoning this whole thing up. So stay tuned.